In the velvet hush, where the city lights bleed,
Bleed, bleeding.
the weary stumble in with their secrets and need.
Weary, weary.
Rain on the window writes a lonesome refrain,
While the upright bass sighs through the cigarette haze.
one small flame still flickers,
Steady and true.
a quiet promise only the broken ones knew.
Keep the campfire burning,
Let its embers glow,
for the weary who wander,
and the heavy burdened souls, for the emotionally wounded,
with their invisible scars.
keep the campfire burning
Beneath these dim-lit stars.
Let the saxophone whisper
What the heart cannot say,
piano and violin,
chase the night away. Keep the campfire burning, keep it burning for them.
the violin cries like a lover's last plea.
Saxophone answers with a velvet decree.
Piano fingers dance where the shadows hold tight.
Upright bass keeps the heartbeat soft through the night.
No storm lasts forever.
No wound stays unhealed.
Gather close around the fire and let the darkness yield. Keep the campfire burning,
Let its embers glow.
for the weary who wander, and the
Heavy burdened souls.
for the emotionally wounded,
With their invisible scars. Keep the campfire burning beneath these dim-lit stars. Keep the campfire burning.